my name's Gami, and today we're going to make this thing called babuvka. And it's really good, so you can make it at home. It's easy. You can write it down, and you can make it more. It's super fun. Alright, let's go. Skirt! Alright, so I'm gonna move this stuff so you can see this. So, like,
Hey, Mommy! Mommy! Do I have the recipe? I don't know where it is. Oh, never mind.
yes, I found it. Alright. Alrighty, so I got the recipe. Alrighty, so you're gonna need like, my gosh, don't turn. Oh my gosh. I have to find it. Oh my gosh. Yes. Alright. So you need kind of something like this and like kind of a measuring thing. So you're going to need 2/3 cups of 2-3 cups of sugar, or 2/3 cups of sugar. Yeah, sugar. Okay, let me grab my sugar. Sugar wigger. Sugar wigger! Because I am.
Co?
Yeah, you do.
Měl jsem, no. A proč mi to říkáte? Aha.
Pour. Oops.
To tady vazí a řve, to bude jednou bude to být kuchařem, budu mu říkat řvoucí kuchař. Bude jeho
Now you
drink.
need 1 cup of sriracha, which is basically heavy whipping cream. Or like
Heavy whipping cream.
so you need 1 cup. Good, that's good. Now put the cap on. Now pour it in. Oh, I should do flour first. It's gonna get all sticky. Alright, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Okay, there we go. You just need, no, baking powder. Baking powder. Boom. Then you need 3 eggs.
Ah!
Throw all of them in the trash. my hands.
Okay, now you need the flour.
Alright, so I gotta wipe this because there's whipping cream all over it. So, oh wait, there's still some of it. Alright, so actually, I don't feel like cleaning it because I'm too lazy. Alright, you need 1 cup and 1/3 of, so I gotta wipe it. Never mind, I gotta wipe it. I can't see the numbers. Alright, so I need 1 cup and 1 cup and 1/3. 1 cup. Dude, there's only a 4. Mommy, I need help. My mama's gonna help me, so. It doesn't say 1 cup and 1/3 on here.
Wait a sec.
Wait, I gotta go check something.
And he leaves the video go. Toby, you can use this. This measures 1/3 cup. So you do 3 of these to get a cup, and then 1 more to get that 1/3 cup. So do
Okay.
4 spoonfuls of
Okay.
this.
4 spoonfuls? What do you mean?
It's 1/3 cup and needs
Oh, is
a
it
cup and a
filming it?
third. Yeah.
Yeah. Alright.
That's too much! Good job.
Okay.
Janusz was verchować. But my legs, they are weak.
3. Oh. 4. Right, basically that's it. Then you get one of these and mix it up. Just keep mixing it. Get all the flour inside. Oh wow, there's getting so much stuff in there. Alright, wait, let me clean my iPad. Let me clean that. Right, I need something to wipe with. Good. How is it wet? How is my iPad wet? Whatever. Okay. So yeah, just keep mixing till like maybe till like 5 or 10 minutes. Alright, I think that might be good. Try to get a little couple bites. Alright. So when you're done with that, you get this. Then, well, basically you have to get this or other shapes. And you have to spray this all around it. Oh my gosh. Spray it! Spray. It's good. How high do you put it to cook it? Like how much Fahrenheit do you put it to cook it?
The temperature is gonna be rising after 350. Then it's gonna.
Alright, so basically it's just 350. Yeah. So 350 Fahrenheit, and then you have to put that on the 350 Fahrenheit. And then we have little breadcrumbs. You can put these little breadcrumbs on there if you want. Okay. Then good. Took it off. Good. Alright, good. Now lick this off if you want to. Okay, then when you're done with that, you get this and you pour it around all it. Like, you just oh, that hurts my hand. Come on, get it. Get a spoon. Hey, Mommy. Where's the spoon? When we use this to get out. Thank you. Alright, then get. Basically, just get all of it around and around. Alright. 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 Whoa. Alright. Hey, Mama. Mommy, I'm done.
What's this?
Oh,
Okay.
is it good?
Yeah. Let me scrape it a little more.
Well, they need a little entertainment to wait for the thing. Wait, how many minutes do you put it for?
think we put it for like 30 minutes.
You put it for like 30 minutes.
For the thing to cook. So. Yeah, you just have to wait till
The oven gets preheated.
yeah, when it gets preheated. Don't show your face. Hello. Well, they have to get a little entertainment to wait. Never mind. Bye bye. And I hope you like the babushka that you made.